What's up, family? I did it again. I went back to Lidl because that salmon, that pepper garlic salmon that I got, it was really good. And so I was like, well, I should make that today for my lunch. So I went back to get it, and all the pieces were small pieces. So I didn't think it was worth getting that again. And then they had a trio of salmon. Um, it was like $14 though. So I said, if I'm going to buy that, I might as well buy a bag of salmon. So I looked in the freezer section, and they had a bag of salmon on sale for $7.49. So that's what I picked up. So I also went in there to get some stuff for a salad. I just needed like some tomatoes, the salad mix. I picked up some cucumbers, and what else did I get for the salad? The salad mix, the cucumbers, the tomatoes. Oh, and the dressing. And I got some ranch dressing because it comes in a bag, but I don't know if it's going to be enough to last throughout the bag. But Lidl had some good deals as usual. And of course, I spent around the same amount that I spent the last time I went in there. So I just picked up some things that I needed. I'll show you what I got. But also, I had to get some treats for the pets. I need to stop. I'm spoiling them. And then when I start traveling again, I don't know what they're going to do, without me, because I'm getting them used to, me coming by and taking them out and giving them a treat. So I'm trying my best to stress to my grandson that he needs to continue doing that every day. My other grandson is there, so I asked him on his days off if he would take them out. So hopefully they'll do that. But we'll see. But anyway, I just want to come in at the park and make me some lunch. So guys, I already washed my hands, and I washed my cucumber and my tomato. So I'm going to cut that up. So I'm only going to use a little bit of cucumber because it's just me. Just cut them in half. And I have the salad mix that I got. I got my fancy plate out. Let's put a little bit of that in here. And it has croutons and dressing. Oh, and cheese. I'm going to just use a little bit of these because I only need a little bit. Now I had to put this in something else to keep it fresh. Here's the cheese. They didn't give you much. Just a little bit of cheese. I'll put a little bit on there. I bought some Parmesan cheese, so I'm good with that. I only need a little bit. Put my tomatoes. And I'm hungry. It is like 4 o'clock and I haven't eaten anything all day. So I don't have time to be fooling around with trying to be fancy or whatever either. So let's put some pepper on here. And let's see, salt. And some complete seasoning. I think I have some in here, yeah. Complete seasoning. All right. That should be good. So I put my dressing on, and that little piece of paper that I cut off the top, I just tied it around the bag to keep the bag sealed up. So I just have some sweet tea. I had a cup of ice that I got from the store earlier, and I'm going to have that with my salad. Looks good. I did want to put the salmon on it, but the salmon is frozen. And so I don't have time to wait for the salmon to thaw out, y'all. Like I said, I haven't eaten all day. And I still haven't gone over to see the doggies. I've been piddling paddling today, so. Carrots. Oh my God. I like carrots in salad sometimes, but not all the time. But you know I like those little cucumbers though. You want some? Take a bite. This is good. It's getting warm. I hate chewing with food in my mouth, but it's getting warm outside. And so like today, I was going to go to the lake, but it said it's calling for rain. So I didn't want to get stuck down there in the rain. So I came back out here to the park, and I was going to go sit outside in the park, but this park only has one picnic table and it is occupied. So I couldn't do that. So you guys just have to settle for me eating in my van today. But I'm eating at the park today. Eating my lunch at the park. So anyway, I did get a few other things at Lidl. They had Alfredo sauce and linguine 3 for $3. So I got linguine, I got the Alfredo sauce, And then I went and got some Parmesan cheese so I can make some, some kind of Alfredo dish. I'm going to add my own little spin to it and whatnot. Yes, I am. What else did I get? I got some dates. I got some cashews. I got some oatmeal. I need to fill my oatmeal jar up. But I'm also going to make something else with the oatmeal. You'll have to stay tuned on another video for that. I'm going to show you what I'm going to make with the oatmeal as well as the cashews. But, what else did I get? The treats for the dog. I don't know what I'm missing. But I'm going to show you. I'll show you whatever I was missing, what I didn't mention. But anyway, I'm going to eat my salad, and then I have to go over to my daughter's. My grandsons are supposed to take out some chicken out of the freezer so that I can cook them, well, teach them how to barbecue some chicken in the oven. So hopefully they took it out. If they didn't take it out, oh well, that's on them, right? But anyway, I'm just going to sit here and eat my salad, and I will see you in a minute. What are you barking at? Who are you barking at? Jelani. Here. Wait a minute. Only got 2 hands, man. Wait a minute. Oh my goodness. Okay, who can I snatch? Who? Who can I snatch you? Let me snatch you first. Come back. This is Busy. Busy Bop. Busy Bop. Busy Bop. Busy Bop. Hey, Busy Bop. This is Pup Pup. She's the mother. She is the mother. She's a good girl. She usually does what you tell her to do. This is Jelani. This is the sister of Busy. And them two are Roman's daughters. They right underneath me. Those are Roman's daughters. This one, Busy Bop, and this one. All right, go play. Come on, go play. Come on. Go, 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 go. Okay, Busy. Okay, Busy. Okay. All right. Calm down. Calm down. I only got 2 hands. All right. This is the new puppy. This is the new puppy. Ain't he so cute? He's so cute. So he's not to replace Roman. She was going to get another puppy anyway. But just to have another puppy. And he's the cutest little thing. Isn't he cute? So we haven't named him yet. But what do you think? What do you think his name should be? All right, let's get a treat. That's a new one. Get a treat. You want a treat? You want a treat? All right. We're getting a treat. Up, 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 up. Busy bop. Busy bop. Boop. Come on. You want it? Come on. Look. Look. Look at this one. I guess he's gonna work on that for a while. Yes.